Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with our second trade, or it's better to say live signal of the day, and this signal is going to be on AUDUSD, aka Australian dollar per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now we are on our calendar. What I currently see here is that buyers are kinda having a positive or powerful bullish leverage over the sellers, and this shows us a great sign that this currency is going to have a bullish movement to the upside. The news are pretty much the same as the other ones that I have published in this week. Overall, by the news, what I understand is that we are going to experience a range movement over the week, but as you all know, I do not believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now we are on the chart. As you can see, we are on AUDUSD on 4-hour time frame, and as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone is trading zone, the green zone is a strong support below the price of it, and the red zone is our resistance, which we are actually going to set our TPs based on the range between the red zone and the blue zone. So the thing that is going to probably happen here is that the price will actually experience a little bit of a more movement to the downside, and then it will start moving to the upside. Then we will have a small pullback, maybe above this level or maybe above this one, and then it will start to move to the resistance that we are actually showing here. So without any more time to waste, what I want you is to sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful signal, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.